Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to install the Android apps onto your Gbox MX2. First thing, you're going to go to your app screen by going to the circle with the 6 dots. Next, you're going to go to the browser, and just like you did in the initial setup and activation, you're going to go to the top of the screen to the URL bar by using the cursor, and you're going to type in again www.gboxcode.com. Then press go. Okay, now just as in the first video where we did the initial setup and activation, you're going to need the Android zip file again. So hopefully you guys looked at that video first. If you haven't, just click on androidzip.apk like that and press OK, and you'll see it'll say starting download at the bottom. You should already have this downloaded and installed though. But okay, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this folder that has the line and the // in front of it. That's right here. You're going to click on it. And you see it opens this up, and what it says is this is the appspack.zip. That's the file you need to install. So just go on top of it and press OK, and you'll see it'll say starting download on the bottom of the screen. And now we can exit the browser by pressing return on the remote and getting out of here. And we go to downloads. You can see where this is the appspack.zip is in progress and downloading. Basically, keep it on this download screen until the file that says this is the appspack.zip no longer says in progress. Okay, while it's saying in progress, it's still downloading. Okay, so this might take 2 to up to even 10 minutes depending on your internet speed. But once it's done, you're ready to go. Okay, as you can see, this is the appspack has finished downloading. So all you're going to do is go to Android Zip Pro. As you can see, this is the appspack is finished downloading. If you hadn't already downloaded androidzip.apk, you just click here and press OK and install it. If you already have it, don't worry about it. If you already installed it earlier in the initial setup video, don't worry about it, and just press agree and install Android Zip Pro. And as I said, you guys might have already installed this earlier, so don't worry about it if you did. Okay, now I'm going to exit that by pressing return, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Android Zip Pro, and when it first comes on, I'm just going to go down, and I'm going to go down to download, and you see where we download this file, the last one in there. This is the appspack.zip. Just go to it and press OK. And then you're going to go down to extract to and press OK again. And then you can go up to parent folder and press OK. Then you're going to go to Android and press OK. Then once you're in here, you go to the top right hand corner and press extract here. And it's as simple as that. It's going to unpack it all. Okay, once everything is unpacked, you'll see it say successfully unzip file. Now, all I got to do is press return on the remote, and once you're back at the app screen, just go to app installer, press OK, and then click on
local disk. And all it's doing now is searching for those installation files that we installed for you for all the Android apps that we promised you. Okay, now see, the first one in the list is Cannonball, so all I'm going to do is go over Cannonball and press OK to install it. And then it's going to ask me if I want to install, and I'm going to click install. And then it asks if I want to verify apps. It just asks me if I want Google to check all apps that I install for harmful behavior. Just click agree. It's always great to do double checking from Google. But we promise all our apps are safe, so you won't have any problems. Okay, after the app is done, just go over to done and press OK. Don't press open, because all we're going to do. Okay, and then next is going to ask choose shortcut directory. Just press local apps. Okay, so after that, Cannonball is now installed. So next we're going to the next one, and all we're doing is basically going through each one, and we're going to press install again and allow that one to install. And after that's done, press done again. So basically, and then we're going to press local apps again. So basically, we're just going to go through each app and press install till we're done with all of them. Again, press done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is skip forward in the video because I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me install each app. You guys get the gist. I'm going to skip to the last one. I turned off the camera and I installed the other one so I wouldn't have to have you guys listen to me the whole time. So we've installed all kind of stuff, games, apps, and then this last one is just another game. So like I said, it's good to just install all the apps and then play with them and see what you like later. And after you've installed that last app, just press return on your remote to get back to the main app screen. So now if you look, your whole screen has all these new apps on it. And in addition, the app screen has expanded. It's actually probably more than one page now. So realize that it's not just this page. To get to the next page, you just go over to the right. And to actually get over to the right, you can't go. You actually have to go over here and go to the bottom last app that's on the bottom right hand corner. See the search one or whatever it is on your screen? Go to the bottom right square app, all the way at the bottom right hand corner, then press right on your remote control. Then you'll see the screen change and you'll go to the next page. Whereas, let me go back. If I try to go up here to one of these apps and press right, the cursor is actually just going to go all the way to the left in a circle, okay? So to go to the next page, you have to go all the way down to the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then press right and the screen will change. And then vice versa, if I want to change screens when I'm on another page, you have to go all the way to the top left icon and then press left. And then your screen would change. So that's a good tip to know, you guys. There's all kind of stuff. You already had a web browser up here, but we added Dolphin web browser. Dolphin browser, let's check it out. We're not going to check out every app because you guys can mess with them yourself. So you'll see Dolphin startup. Dolphin is just a normal browser. A quick tip for you guys. You might not have known that. See, like if I press left, up, and down, you see nothing happens. But anytime, if you guys ever need a mouse cursor to select something, like in this case, we need a mouse cursor to select the URL bar on the web browser. So press cursor on your remote, and it's on the bottom right hand corner of the remote control. So just look in your hand and look at the bottom right hand corner button on your remote control. That's in the button says cursor. So click cursor, and all you have to do is click cursor once, and then if you move around the arrows that you've been using to maneuver around your Gbox, you'll all of a sudden be able to move the mouse that has appeared on the screen. So use the mouse and click in the top URL bar like that, and then you'll see a keyboard appear below. And as it change back so you can select the letters, press cursor again on your remote, and then move up and down, and then you'll be able to select again. In this case, let's go to a site like usatoday.com or something. Okay, so that's it. And then when I'm ready to exit it, just press return, then press exit, and you'll be out of there. Now, if you look, there's, like I said, there's another browser on there too. It works the exact same way as Dolphin, so I'm not going to even go through it. On that, the only app that I can see, let's see, that's worth showing. Let's go to the next page. Speed test is a cool one. This will let you know what your internet speed is that you're connecting. That's good to know for your Gbox. Like if your Gbox is going kind of slow and you're like, okay, do I have a good connection with this or not? Maybe your Gbox is too far from your internet. Just press I agree when it opens up and just go over to begin test. We installed this app for you so you'll know how fast your internet connection speed actually is. Because even though you might have a fast connection, that doesn't mean that's the speed you're getting on your Gbox for whatever reason. You know, you might have too many devices connected to your internet, or the Gbox is too far, you know, like who knows. But yeah, that's about right on mine. My internet speed is about 3 megabytes, and I'm getting almost 3 megabytes, even though I'm in a separate room than what my router is in. So I'm doing pretty good here, guys. Okay, so that's that app. Press return now. Yeah, there's all kind of cool ones. One that I liked in particular is this one, the IMDb app. This is a great app. It's a great complement to XBMC and the add-ons like One Channel, iFilms, and Crackle and all that, because you really get a more in-depth informational source for your movies and shows, even whether they're new or old. So like, for example, I'll go to search here, and like, what's the show I watch? I watch like a show called True Blood. So I'll go in here. We really outdid ourselves and picked a good suite of apps for you to check out. Okay, so you see right here, it tells you like the votes on the movie, on the show. Let's see, if I go over here to the right, change back to my, I could select different things on here. See, I could see the cast and crew, series details, series reviews, user reviews, all kind of stuff. Quotes, soundtrack, filming locations. I could get information about the show, and I could even watch trailers from the show. So like, let's go right here. I could click this button that says trailer, and this is for any movie or TV show. And actually asked me what I wanted. I'm gonna shoot for the gold and go 720p HD, and let's see. It should show me a trailer of True Blood, which it is. See that? That's True Blood in brilliant HD quality, being shown on IMDb. Just a quick clip.
Oh gosh, dang it.
And actually, that clip is from the last episode, so IMDb is pretty good. It gives you updated clips, and like I said, you can watch. I'm assuming also if it's a movie, it'll show you a movie trailer and all that. And to get out of it, I'm just pressing return. Now, a good tip for you guys when using your Android apps is that if you notice, like, you keep using Android apps, and every time you exit, it seems to be moving slower and slower. I mean, your overall Gbox experience. You probably have too many Android apps open, because I've noticed that, like, when I exit out of Android apps, it never really closes the Android app. So to take care of that problem, all you have to do is press menu on your remote, and then see that menu popped up in the right hand corner, bottom right. I'm gonna press system settings. Okay, once I'm in system settings, and see, like, right, already my Gbox is moving kind of slowly. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to apps. When I go to the top, it's showing all my downloaded apps, but that's not where I want to go. I want to go to the right again and see the menu change to running, and these are showing me all the apps that I have running. So I'm gonna close some of the stuff. Some of the stuff you can leave open, like that stuff that says people, OE settings. That's fine, but like this music player, that can close. I'm not playing any music right now. Stop. I just go to and press stop. It says if you want to stop it, press OK. I'm just going to press it. Don't stop everything, because some of the stuff is system processes that need to go on. Google Play Store can stay open, and that was just one thing open, so that's fine. But sometimes your apps will stay open, so just go check every now and then to see if ones that you opened are still open. And that's it. There's a little, some other cool ones. There's like a history eraser. That's that's good, because you could erase your history from when you were using when you're watching movies and shows, or if you search the internet. Just like on the computer, you could erase your history. And all the other ones are pretty much covered in our other videos, such as the music and games and all that. So you could try those there. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video.